Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. You all are welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are fine, hope you all are good. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe to my channel. Hit that red subscribe button, please, I am begging, and click the bell notification bell whenever we post any new video. You will be the first person to be notified. So in this channel is a cooking channel. We bake, also we show how you can prepare your dish in a healthy way, like preparing your dish and also eating food. We also bake some small chops, things that we eat in the house. Like, you learn a lot from this channel. It's also a channel that talks about weight loss journey. We don't just cook, we cook to get all the food nutrients that the body needs. Join us my YouTube channel, I am begging, and you will get a lot and lots of content, things that will add to your cooking recipe in your home. So this morning I want to show you how I bake my cake. My kids love eating cake, and it's not all the time that you go to the shop to buy cake. Also, the cake they make here is not like the cake we eat in our country, but we know how to do all those things in our own way. So I will show you how I bake my plain cake, and you will love it. Try it. Comment in the comment section how you felt after trying this recipe. It's a healthy recipe. It's a yummy tasty cake. Join me as I show you how I bake this. Now I have my milk. My milk is 200 milliliters. I have 4 eggs and I have 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. I have my sugar, half cup of sugar. I have my salt, and I have also my melted butter. Here is my vanilla sugar, and here is my baking powder and vanilla extracts, and also I have the butter vanilla. So I will show you how I bake my plain cake. Honestly, this cake is so sweet and so delicious. I can't get over it, honestly. Mm? Please guys, try it at home, honestly. Your kids and everybody around you will love it. I'm telling you from experience. Thank you guys. And please don't forget to subscribe.